right, everybody, let's get up and get moving and get ready for the rest of our day here. We're just going to start out just to warm up a little bit, and then we're going to work on a little bit more lower body strengthening movements, some big muscles and some little muscles. So we're going to get ready for that today. But first, just a little bit of warm up to get up and get moving. Get our day started off right. What a beautiful day it is out there already. Holy. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is actually just do some squats. So when we're gonna do our squats, we're gonna put our feet about shoulder width apart, and we're gonna push our hips back first, get as low as we can. All right, so we're gonna hang out here 20 seconds doing squats, okay? Get as low as you can. If you need to, go back to a chair, you can do that too. But one thing to really make sure that you are paying attention to is keeping your chest tall and back really nice and flat throughout the whole thing. If you need to, you can put your hands out in front of you. All right, nice job. Okay, now what we're gonna end up doing is actually just standing still here and then just lifting one leg. If you need to grab a wall or a chair, something like that, you can certainly do that. You're gonna feel this on the side of your hip here. So working on some balance. So all these muscles that we're gonna be working today are very important for like main functions of life, like sitting down or, you know, anytime we sit down and get up, basically. That's what we're working here. All right, other side. Nice job. Keep it on moving. Go. This is really easy and you're trying to work on balance. Try closing an eye or two eyes. If it's not easy, we're still having a hard time balancing. Do the best you can to stay upright. Nice job. Almost there. Okay, now we're gonna go into wide stance again, and we're gonna squat down just a little bit, okay? We're gonna take a step to the right, step to the left, step to the right, step to the left. Again, just like our squats, make sure that we keep our chest tall, back really nice and flat. Nice job. It's not too often anymore that we naturally go side to side movements anymore. I think about kids and they're playing and stuff all the time. And they're crossing their bodies and doing all that business. They never go anywhere but forward or backward. All right, nice job. Okay, straighten it out. Okay, go back to our squats. Here we go. Nice job, everybody. Keep it moving. Again, whatever you can, get as low as you can. It's up here, that's okay, just as long as you're pushing those hips back first and standing up all the way at the top. Nice job. All right. 2 more. And plant that foot, coming over here. Nice job. Keep it going. Again, if you need to, grab a wall or a chair. Switch. Bring that leg up as high as you can. All right, a few more seconds. And again, wide stance, get down low, get your back. All right, here we go. All these movements very similar. Working the similar movements, little muscles, big muscles. Just get our lower body strengthened and ready for the day. Nice job. 5 more seconds. And stop. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go into just a little bit of a stretch here now. So we're actually going to step out in front, okay? This planted leg goes up here, toe is back, or toe is down and heel is up in the back. We're just gonna sink down nice and low. You should feel a really big stretch through the front of your hip, maybe even into your quad. Nice job. Go grab onto something if you need to. Good. Switch. Nice job. 5 more seconds. Do this many times throughout the day if you want to as well. This is really good for our hip flexors and opening everything up. All right, everybody, have a good rest of your day and take care. Bye-bye.